would be we get asked all the time, what is my case worth? How do we determine what someone's case is worth, whether it is an automobile accident or a slip and fall? We'll focus on those two because those fall under the civil justice system. And there are 5 components that make up the determination as to the value of the case. And we've gotten a couple texts in, so we'll kind of quickly go through this. So number 1 is injuries. How severely injured were you? Number 2 is how much are your medical bills and lost wages? You know, how much time, if any, did you have to miss from work as ordered by a doctor for the injuries that you suffered as a result of the accident? Number 3 is liability. Who caused the accident? Mississippi is a comparative fault state, so the other party could be 100% at fault. The other party could be 80% at fault, which means any settlement of yours or jury verdict would be reduced by 20%. Number 4 is how much insurance is out there. As most of y'all know, Mississippi, the minimal limits are $25,000 per person, $50,000 per accident. The vast majority of drivers in Mississippi carry that amount of coverage, and so that is something to take into account. We talked last week about really the need for uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage because that can give you a second bite at the apple with regard to funds to be able to recover in your accident. And then the 5th component is the one that's really interesting, is venue. Where did it happen? In Mississippi, if I'm in a car accident, I can file suit in one of 2 places: the county in which the accident happened or the county in which the defendant, the person who I said caused the accident, lives. There's 82 counties in Mississippi, and they really vary. I can take the exact same facts in Madison County in a case is going to have X value, and take those facts and move the case to Rankin County, and it's going to have a lower value in Rankin County, or move it to Hinds County, and it's going to have a greater venue. Those 5 things. So if you hire Schwartz Associates, and you can always get us at 601-988-8888, you know, you're going to hear your attorney at the office have a conversation with you when it comes to the value of the case as to, okay, here's the venue, here's where it happened, you know, and this is how it is a positive, it's a negative, or it's kind of benign and does not really have much bearing on the case.